With WP Fluent Forms scheduling feature, you can easily schedule a form's live period. From Fluent Form menu, select the form you want the scheduling to be imposed on and click the Edit button. Click on the Settings tab on the top bar and stay on the Form Settings section. Scroll down to the Scheduling and Restrictions segment. Toggle on the Form Scheduling feature. Define the starting date and ending date of that particular form. Define the message to be shown before the starting date. Define the message to be shown after the ending date.